There she is. In today's video, guys, we're going to have a little fun. I decided that I want to take the exhaust cap off down there, and then the intake, the air filter cover off. And we're going to just, unscrew the bolt down there and pop the cap off, and we're going to make some noise. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, so we're going to need the wrench set, the socket set, and let's see, I think it's Phillips head screwdriver. We're gonna need to take the the air intake filter off. Flathead, Phillips. Alright, here we go. So our first step is taking this air filter off. You usually don't want to take these off because you can risk it getting dirt in it, So I'm interested to see what the performance changes would be.
It's not wet out here. They won't work. Pick them up now. You got them in the water.
Alright. There's one screw. I was thinking about getting a flex pipe with the expansion chamber and the muffler on the end off of Amazon. It's what Bikeberry calls it is the poo-poo muffler. Kind of a funny name for it. And then I was thinking about getting the Oku 21mm carburetor. So I guess I'll see if I'll do it. I think it would be a good upgrade, if you ask me. Okay, so there is our carburetor inside of the intake. Kind of wipe the dirt off around it. I'll give you guys a closer view. There's basically just like a plastic on it. That's what it looks like. Like that. So the plastic's on there basically so the air filter, the foam right here doesn't fall into it, doesn't get sucked in. Alright, now for the fun part, which will be removing the muffler cap down on the bottom. Okay, so it's probably going to be a 10 millimeter. That's what a lot of the stuff is on these bikes. So let's see here. Grab a 10 milli. You kind of want to hold it so you don't put too much pressure on the head of the motor. Time to make some noise. So this cap basically is what restricts it. So it's pretty much just going to be a straight pipe then. Alright, quite a bit of oil on this muffler cap. Just pops off. There she is. Smells like gas, that's for sure. This must be the baffle in there. I'm assuming it is. Now it's time for some fun. So if you guys can see in there, let's see. Give you a little light. We can get this flashlight to turn on. My hands are deeply full of grease. Well, I can't get it to turn on. Maybe that's because I have it on that mode here. There. So, that's what it looks like up in there. I think that's the baffle right there. Or whatever. Yeah, so. Alright. We'll see how she runs. Start her up. Okay, we'll just use my phone. I'm not going to get the GoPro. I actually did record yesterday on the GoPro, but sadly the content was deleted. Well, it actually never even recorded it fully, so that was kind of dumb. Alright, so we're going to be doing this one-handed. Go ahead and turn our fuel to the on. Turn our choke to full on. Okay. I'll get this pedal up there, and we'll hear how this thing sounds. Today is also my little brother Felix's 5th birthday, so happy birthday to him. Alright, time to go annoy the neighborhood. That is loud. I think we'll just do one rip. But that's insane. We'll put my phone here. Because we don't want to attract too much attention. So we'll just take this back road behind our house. There we go. That's the phone holder. Kind of can get a view of the speed. Alright, let's try this. Sounds pretty good though. I like it a lot. 46? That's it removing the muffler cap.
Yeah. I thought the brake did 40.
Yeah, I only had. I know it sounds cool like that. Sounds like one of Motorized bicycle riders' bikes. Sounds sick.
You took the air cleaner off?
Yeah, air cleaner and then the muffler cap. Oh, that sounds awesome. But yeah, but when I opened it up to full throttle, it kind of had like a... It kind of bogged it down. I don't know if that's because there was no air filter on the muffler or what.
I thought you dyed it run like that, huh? So that's why.
Yeah, well, I'm going to grab the muffler legs, the intake.
Go get him. Hey, Felix, come on out.
I'm going to put this on, back on. So it'll quiet it down quite a bit. And maybe that will help with the back pressure because it seems like it... But well, when I opened it up to full throttle, it bogged it down for some reason. So I don't know why for sure, but kind of weird. All right. I'll go ahead and install this back on into place. She sure does make some noise. Sounds pretty good, I think so.
You left the building. I guess we should just do pizza. You get that pizza.
I'm sure the neighbors are happy. Wake them up on this Sunday. Well, they gotta be up by now. It's 12:10, but we do live in a kind of a retired community, so. And we do, I think, have a few cops in the neighborhood. All right. There we go. Now let's see if that helps a little bit with the back pressure and that. Whoa, don't want to tip her over now. Take her for one last rep. I'll just secure my phone right here again. Put this on. Whoop. Okay, there we go. Now let's try this. Whoa. It does do a lot for performance drills, actually. I noticed a big increase on my acceleration. That's for sure. So, bad boy. Wow. I think that's enough knowing the neighbors, though, for one morning. So there you go, folks. We gotta put the cap back on. Heck no! Cops would be on my ass so fast it wouldn't be funny. I wanted to see how it's gonna be. I'll go ahead and insert this back up there. However it goes up there. There we go. There's that. Sounds cool though. It sounds like a dirt bike, man. I think I noticed a little bit better of with the air filter on. I think so. Sound good though, man. Real good. Yeah, it did backfire though. Well, I put it back on now. Well, the last run that I did, I had it on. So, sound pretty cool. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below, guys. I should? Woo! Ha!
Why not? That'd probably change that one.
Take it off on the 4-stroke. There we go. That's good. So what? That's back on there. Yep. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, quite the experience. Sounds like a dirt bike. Whoa. Okay. Looks like we only got one lock on the side of this thing left. Used to be 4. Woo! If you guys think that was awesome, leave a like. Okay. Now there we go. If we get enough likes, maybe we'll do it to the 4-stroke. That would be pretty fun, huh? Alright. Peace out. Everyone have a happy and a good Sunday. Thanks for being on this nice Sunday. And see you all very soon. Peace. What are you doing in the bottom of my trash can? Beats me. Alright. Adios. Peace out. You still there?